Videos, please subscribe to my channel, Remote-Backroad-Jungles, with a dash in between each word, and my link is www.youtube.com/@hiddenOasis-secret pathfinder. And these are emus. Okay, I'll find you. And their habitat, Australia. Oh, and there's some wild pigs. Yeah, wink wink. Hold on, let me back up a little bit. It says we bite. A pot-bellied pig. See the pigs over there? Yeah, pot-bellied is right. That's accurate. Hi, honey. Hey, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hey, that little piggy over there. Okay, until next time, guys. The emu. Just sitting there.